Hello everybody, welcome to Short Shot Archery. Anthony here, and in this video we're reviewing a stringer. This is the Legend Archery String Easy bow stringer, and I'm going to give you my experience with it. We'll have links down below to Legend's site and links for you to buy it or get pricing on it. They come in a whole bunch of different colors. They're 69 inches long. And, if red's not your thing, they have yellow, they got green, they got black, and a few more in between. And other than that, this is not a poem competition, so let's get back to the archery. So first off, some things that I like about this stringer. The nylon strapping is great to have. I personally think it's a lot better than just the regular cord that a lot of stringers have. Because it's really hard to knot this up without being able to, undo the knots. Another thing is, it's a good idea here, this little limb pocket that slides right onto the top of your limb. Fits in there nice and secure. Also a good idea. The loop end that will slide in over your limb is also pretty well sized, and they even put some rubber in here to try to help it from not sliding. You should still definitely use one hand to make sure that it stays there as you're stringing your bow or de-stringing your bow. That's just smart. I don't really think anybody has a stringer that doesn't move at all. These things happen, so you should still keep your hand there, even though it does a fairly good job of staying in place. Now, in terms of stringing your bow, it really doesn't do anything out of the ordinary. Usually you would put the big open loop on your top limb, and then follow down the bow all the way to the bottom and put this part over here, and then you would proceed to step in the middle, pull the bow up to de-string it, or pull the bow up to string it. Pretty straightforward. They're not inventing anything new with how to string your bow. They're just making it, I guess, a little bit easier. Now, I do have one little critique for this particular stringer, and if you're using it just for yourself, that's good. If you happen to be sharing this with others, and they happen to be either much taller or much shorter than you, there's not really going to be much adjustment in the length of this stringer. You're stuck at 69 inches. Unlike the corded ones where you could go and bunch it up and kind of tie a knot in it, you can kind of do it with this, but it's honestly not the best idea. Now, most people probably won't have to adjust the length of their stringer, but if you're somebody that does, or you're a parent and you're buying this for yourself, but your kid's going to use it too, there's not a ton of adjustment that you can be made there. You may have to look into an adjustable stringer or something like that. But overall, other than that point there, this is definitely a solid built stringer, and it's much better built than a lot of the cheaper ones out there that are made by less reputable companies. They actually do put their time and effort into this Legend, and it looks well stitched too, so you shouldn't have to worry about the nylon coming undone. Looks pretty solid to me, so I would definitely recommend it to my fellow archers. If you need a stringer, check this one out. Alright, so that pretty much wraps up the review of the Legend Archery String Easy. Again, if you want more information, check out the description below for pricing, what Legend has to say about their own product, and more. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. I had a great time testing this product out, sharing it with you, and it does its job. It does what it's supposed to do. So with that, please like the video, consider subscribing, and as always, happy shooting.